What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Jumping right in, I'm going to be installing a wig from Unice hair. The wig that I have is this 24-inch Brazilian curly hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. This is a closure wig, so as you can see, I think it's like a 4x4 closure, and it has 3 clips on each side and 1 in the back. Well, 2 on each side and 1 on the back. So I already have my hair braided going to the back, so I'm just going to go ahead and put on my wig cap and add the color to the wig cap. Y'all, this is going to be such a simple install because it's a closure wig. There's really not much that you have to do to it. So as you're about to see, this is going to take you like 10 minutes, girl. So for this install, I decided I wanted to go ahead and do a side part. I typically wear my curly hair in a side part anyway, so I just went ahead and did that for this one. And now I'm just going to go through and pluck my part to make it a little bit wider. I did actually wind up going back over it, like outside of this video, to make my part just a little more wider. So what you see here is actually not as wide as it came out. Now, as you can see, I'm just going through and cutting the lace, and I'm going to go ahead and cut out my baby hairs. In hindsight, looking at this install, if you actually want to go through and pluck the closure a little bit in the front just to make, the line of demarcation not so harsh, you definitely can go through and do that. I was just trying to do like a really quick install. Also, because the way I'm wearing my hair, you won't be able to see my hair in the front on that side anyway, so I didn't really care. But if you wanted to wear your hair in a different way, I would definitely suggest plucking the closure some more. One thing about this hair is it is very poofy. You really have to keep it wet to keep it flat, and it dries super quick. So this little Nairobi foam that I put on here, trash, don't use that. Because it keeps it flat for like all of 2 minutes. I really don't like that foam. I just tried it just to try it. I typically use the Afogi foam. I found that one works a little bit better, but I didn't have any more. So definitely get like a foam for this hair that holds that wet look, because I really didn't like how this hair looked, poofy. And I typically love curly poofy hair, but not in this hair for some reason. So definitely make sure you get a good foam. Okay, y'all, so pretty much this install is complete. The rest of this video is going to be me messing with this hair, trying to get it to look remotely how I like it, because after looking at it for a while, I realized like I don't like how I did it, if that makes sense. Again, this is not a tutorial. I realized that this is my first time installing a curly wig, and so now I'm just fidgeting with it, you know, to get it to look how I like it. Also, this is my first time using a hot comb. Well, maybe not my first time. Okay, but I bought this hot comb probably like 2 weeks ago, so I don't quite know how to use it yet. So I'm trying, y'all. Don't come for me in these comments. I'm doing what I can. So I'm just going to talk a little bit about this hair before we go. Again, all the information will be in the description box below. For curly hair, I had no tangling, which was kind of weird. Like, I mean, in a good way. Like, usually if it's curly, especially like curly, not even like deep wave, it'll like some hair tangle. This one does not. That was kind of freaking fantastic. I appreciated it. Did I say that right? Appreciated? Yeah, that. I appreciated it. So this is really cute hair. I think I figured out the issue that I was experiencing. I should have did a middle part. The side part it wasn't side parting for me. You know, like, I should have did a middle part. But besides that, the hair is great. Just make sure you get a really good mousse because it dries fast again. But yeah, that's it. Thank you. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks guys. Adios. Till next time.